Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add Excel formula to drop down list in Microsoft Excel. So get let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the this student chart is the student name, math is into the subject name, is data from the add Excel formula. Now select from all data. Now keyboard press from the control T. Now click for the OK. Now click for the total row option. Now click for the total. Now for click. Now click for the sum, mix, for average. That's okay. Then I show the add formula Excel formula to drop down list in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for